Children's advocate Diane Gordon Harrison has issued a warning to parents who attack students or other children, supposedly in retaliation for incidents involving their own children. This follows the recent circulation of a video on social media in which a parent is seen fighting with a student. The details in this report.
The Office of the Children's Advocate is currently investigating the 1 minute and 20-second video in which a woman is seen in a fight with a student. The video, which has been making rounds on social media, shows two women confronting a group of girls in uniform. One woman questions the students about a previous altercation between her daughter and one of the girls when it turned into a fight. Children's advocate Diane Gordon Harrison says her office is taking steps to identify the woman and child involved in the video.
My team and I have been in discussion about it since Saturday morning when it first came to our attention, and so far there have been just about 2 leads in terms of identifying the particular school. I've had discussion as well with the police, who I know are also looking at it. So I think with all the stakeholders trying to see if they can identify, first of all, the institution and then the child, we're certainly off to a very good start, because when matters of this nature arise, there are issues that clearly need to be addressed with the child who is at the center of the situation.
Mrs. Gordon Harrison says the video sadly reflects a common practice in Jamaica. However, she is warning parents to desist from taking matters into their own hands. She says parents should instead follow the appropriate channels to resolve issues involving their children, as there are legal implications that may arise from such actions.
First of all, there's the issue of adults to a minor. Already there is presumed to be a disproportionate distribution of power, whereby you have an adult who is in a confrontation with a child. So that never sounds good. The other issue is that depending on what happens in that confrontation, the adult could be, liable for assault charges, because if there is a physical injury, then that is something that comes at play. There's also the whole issue of cruelty to a child, whereby there is undue harm that is done.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.